Word formation techniques: blending and conversion. Let's begin with word formation through blending and conversion. These two methods create new words in modern English. Blending combines parts of two words while conversion changes the word class. Understanding both helps improve vocabulary and expression. Let's explore each one with examples and tips. What is blending? Let's understand what blending means in word formation. Blending joins parts of two or more words into a single new word. It usually takes the start of one word and the end of another. Blended words are common in informal or creative language. For example, smoke and fog blend into smog. Common blended words. Let's look at some common examples of blended words. Brunch combines breakfast and lunch. Motel comes from motor and hotel. Blog is formed from web and log. Infomercial is a mix of information and commercial. These words are widely used in modern communication. How to identify a blend. Let's learn how to identify a blended word in English. Look for shortened parts of two familiar words. Check if the meaning combines elements from both originals. They are often used in casual speech or brand names. For example, netiquette combines net and etiquette. Blending in modern English. Let's see how blending shapes modern English. Blended words grow fast due to technology, media, and culture. They appear in memes, marketing, and online conversations. Examples include frenemy, which is friend and enemy. Also spork from spoon and fork, and hangry from hungry and angry. What is conversion? Let's now understand conversion, also known as zero derivation. This process changes the word class without adding any prefix or suffix. A noun may become a verb or an adjective may become a noun. The word keeps the same form but its role in the sentence changes. For example, Google as a noun becomes to Google as a verb. Examples of conversion. Let's explore real examples of word conversion. Email can be a noun or used as a verb, like I will email you. Run is a verb but also a noun, as in I went for a run. Poor is an adjective but also used as a noun in help the poor. These changes are common and natural in daily English. Tips for learning blending and conversion. Let's finish with tips for mastering blending and conversion. Make a personal list of modern blended words from media and ads. Practice spotting when a word changes its class in real sentences. Try inventing your own blends to build creativity. Stay alert while reading blogs, news, and conversations for fresh examples. Let's conclude our session on blending and conversion in word formation. We explored how new words are made by joining or shifting meaning. These techniques are useful for expanding vocabulary naturally. Keep practicing and stay updated with evolving language trends. Thank you for learning with us at HEGSDC.com.